pretty nice by the beach. It's pretty nice, I have to say. Nothing can beat this moment right now. I know it's called Koh Phi Phi, but my name is Phi from Phi-nex TV, and I declare it now Koh Phi Phi Island. So, Koh Phi Phi Island is one of Thailand's most famous island destinations, known for its dramatic limestone cliffs, crystal clear waters, and vibrant beach life. If you're planning a trip to Koh Phi Phi, there are a few things you should know before going. I've done this trip multiple times, and let's just say there's a lot that no one tells you. From overpriced tours to overcrowded beaches, it's very easy to get caught in the tourist traps. But don't worry, this is your ultimate guide to doing Phi Phi the right way. I'll show you how to get there, what to skip, and the hidden spots that actually make the trip unforgettable. I just got off the Choreng ferry. Now that one was a slow boat, which is 2 hours and about 15 minutes ride, or 2 hours if it's calm waters. Now what I did to get here was I bought a one-way ticket. The reason why I bought a one-way ticket to Phi Phi Island this time is because I already did the tour, and then last time the tour was kind of it's underwhelming and overrated. What's this? 20 baht? There's a fee to go into Phi Phi Islands. That's news. So in order to enter Phi Phi Islands, I mean, I'm already on it, but to get off the pier, you're going to pay 20 baht per person in order to get onto Phi Phi Island in Krabi. This is way different than if you were to go to get an exclusion tour from like the tourism board. This is a different pier from where you would normally get off from the tour boat to get on for 45 minutes. Now, the thing I like about Phi Phi Island is that the fact that we're basically right here. There's a beach down there, Ton Sai Bay. This is where the Ton Sai Pier is right here, and there's a beach along the whole entire strip. Now, that is basically there. Now I'm going to a different side because I'm going to the Lone Bay, which is on this side where the pier is not here, so that I can get oilless water, blue, and then I feel like I'm not going to be basically swimming in the oil and grease. So from here, I'm going to walk all the way across here, which takes about 5 minutes, and that's going to be my next resting spot for the next few hours. And then when I get for lunch, over here is a beach town resort, beach town hotels. Now some of the hotels are not that great. It's like hostels and stuff like that, and there's like a guest house, but yeah, I'm not going to be staying there. I'm going to be traveling over here, going to see. I won't have time to go to the viewpoint, go hiking. I only have time to get tanned because that's the reason why I'm here. A lot of people walking around, a lot of people selling stuff, a lot of excursions, tours. This is where some of the boats get off, but as you can see, the tour check-in. I don't want to be part of the tour check-in. Like over here, you can see which time your ferry leaves from the company that you pick. There's all these destinations. If you're going to Phuket, you go here. Krabi here, Ao Nang here, and you can also go to Langkawi, Malaysia if you wanted to. I didn't know. Next time I know, Langkawi is a pretty nice beach as well. So, wow. You go to Koh Phangan, you go to Koh Lipe, you can go to Koh Libang. This reminds me of like Miami, even though it's my island. But you know what I mean? It's the Phi Phi Island now. Very nice. I remember this. This is basically the main shopping hub of Phi Phi Island, where it connects to the McDonald's, which everyone always needs. And then there's a beach cafe, and then there's the patented Tom Yum fried chicken from Burger King. There's a lot of street food, fresh smoothies. Probably get a fresh smoothie here, and then I'm gonna go on to the beach. As you can see, Phi Phi Island is like a small little village and town in itself. There's everywhere to walk, cafes, bars, restaurants, souvenir shops, fashions. You can buy a lot of stuff and street food, and you can buy like a lot of excursions. This is like a big busy hub right now. It's pretty cool. Definitely check it out. It's worth a one-way ticket. I'm getting sunburnt like a burnt croissant in a bad 2-star kitchen right now. Now, I understand why people like to go to Phi Phi Island, because this is not where the tourists get dropped to basically just do the excursion. It's on the northern side beach where all you see is the people who are staying here. Now, the community is a little bit quiet, and even though this is a tourist beach, like it seems like this side, the opposite side of Thai Pier, it's a little bit more calm, quiet, not big waves like you would see in Indonesia. And there are some boats that kind of come on the left side, like over here, but not as saturated as the Thai Pier, because that is the main pier. You can still see the mountains and the hills on the island as well. So very nice for Instagram, and it's extremely hot. It is February 2025 right now, and as you can see, I'm enjoying the day with my coconut. And temperature is clean. The sand has no gunk, like barely any gunk. This is probably the only gunk you get. But right now, I want to turn myself into a burnt pretzel. The weather is extremely hot. I would say it's hotter than Phuket, even though it's just like 2 hours down, basically down the island. But there's no wind right now, and I'm melting. You will get sunburned here, so I'm here for half the day, and then I'm gonna go back to Phuket. Yeah, if you guys have enough money to stay here, recommend you do. The hotel that I booked originally here was rated like 2 stars or 1 star. It had really bad reviews, so I ended up just not staying there. So I'm gonna take this as a day trip, as a sign to do a day trip. So yeah, if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. And this is Phi Phi Islands. But really, because it's Phi-nex TV, it's Phi Phi Island. So right now, after about like 2 hours getting baked in the sun, I just decided to head over on to like the closest restaurant that was basically just beside the beach, the north side. Yeah, definitely was very convenient, because I'm only here for like half a day. It's very convenient to have everything in one spot. Beach, nice shade, nice sun coverage, nice aesthetics, and also food nearby that's at a reasonable price. Of course, beachfront is a little bit more expensive, but it's like $5 drinks and then like $10 entrees, so not bad, not bad. This is pretty nice by the beach. It's pretty nice, I have to say. Nothing can beat this moment right now. Yep, protein shake for lunch. By the beach. And that. Brown chicken with lettuce. What's this, a taco? It's kind of like a lettuce taco. Oh wow. It is like a lettuce taco. just pick up a crab?
Yes.
Damn, this is still moving? Now, turmeric rice. Ooh, the turmeric rice, it kind of smells like tom yum. And the chicken cashew. Bon appetit. Turmeric rice. Very, very medicinal tasting rice. But in a good way, in a good way, in a good way. The Thai style chicken. Thai style chicken. I want Cantonese style. I'm craving Cantonese style cashew chicken right now. But the Thai style is just as good. Just more stir fried than it is fried, like battered fried. But yeah, that's what I want right now. Something clean and hearty. Your Thai food can never go wrong. Now here's what no one tells you about Koh Phi Phi, especially those classic one-day tours from Phuket. You know what I'm talking about. Maya Bay, Monkey Beach, and those long-tail boats you see on every single Instagram post. Yeah, I went there 2 years ago, and honestly, it was more chaos than paradise. Let me explain. Each location that you get, like the 6-in-1 type of thing or 4-in-1, you get to go to different beaches, you get to go to different excursions on the tour. You don't get a whole day. You get like not even an hour. So when you see that Maya Bay, when you see like Monkey Island, when you see go to the caves and the tourism board, that's all in one day. You're basically rushed off the boat, snap a few pictures, and just like that, back on board. As for the long-tail boats, they cost extra, and if you don't want to pay, you're just stuck on the main boat waiting around for other people to finish. Not exactly the island adventure I had in mind. Now, I want to spend at least half a day, 4 hours, in Phi Phi Island. That's why I recommend heading to Rassada Pier. It's Phuket's main ferry hub for Koh Phi Phi, with reliable departures and plenty of options. In a moment, I'll tell you exactly how to book it online for the best price available, and basically scam-free guaranteed. However, if you're looking for an authentic long-tail boat experience, Rawai Pier is another option. You can hire a private boat and customize your own trip. So the timing of all the ferries, all relatively the same. First boat leaves the Rassada Pier at 8:30 in the morning, and then the next one's around 11 a.m. or 11:30, and then the next one will be 1 o'clock. Now, on the way back, majority of it is kind of designed kind of like a 9-to-5 business. You leave at 8:30, you come back by like 4, come back by 3. It's definitely worth the experience because you're not on an excursion, you're kind of just like hanging out on Phi Phi Island, and I think it's worth it. It's only 500 baht if you book it like at least 1 day in advance. So go to 12 Asia Go, and then you can basically just see the list of charters and brands that they have on the website, and you can basically just click on the times when you want to depart from Rassada Pier to Phi Phi Island, and then you have to go book a one-way back whenever you want to. So you can stay here for a couple nights, you can do a day trip like I did, but it's definitely worth it. It's a lot hotter and it's more secluded. I like beaches like this because it feels like you're in a different place. It's very quiet and calm. Like, everything's calm. The atmosphere is like so carefree. Thanks for watching. Hope this gave you some ideas for your own Phi Phi trip. Next up, I'm back in Phuket and heading straight to Bangla Road, and yeah, things get pretty wild. See you there.